Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to create a survey using Google Forms. First, you just have to click on the blue button that says go to Google Forms. And at the top of your screen, there's blank, contact information, RSVP, party invite, and t-shirt sign up. These are all the different ways you could use forms, but for now we're just going to click on blank. And the first thing you have to do is you have to create a title for your survey. So we're going to title it Parent Survey, just for an example. And for your questions, on the right side of your screen where it says multiple choice, you can click on that and you can choose from a multitude of different questions, but for now we're just going to use short answer for our survey example. And you just have to type in your question. It can be anything simple. And once you've created the question, you can click on required or non-required. We're just going to make it required. And once you're done creating your survey, you just click send. And you can either send it via email to your parents, or you can get a shareable link to where they can do the survey. But for now, we're just going to use the email. So just type in an email. And click send. And it sends out the survey to the parents. And you can view your responses right here. It's pretty simple. And that's it.